Here I have Google Pixel 6a, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off front camera mirroring effect on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then just for an example let me take one photo in front camera with this feature enabled. Then let's try to disable it. Wait, you can just no, it's not that. You go to more settings and here you have this option save selfies as previewed. So like when you have it enabled, your photos will be mirrored. So as you can see, this picture is not mirrored and this one is mirrored. Like on this one we have lightning on the right side and on this one we have it on the left side, but it's actually on the right side here. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.